mag-anak. Tapos nakita niya ang gupit ko doon sa Instagram o sa TikTok. Yan, tingnan nyo ang gagayahin kong gupit ha. Short haircut. Also in the back, mama, the same ha. Short. Yeah. Bismillah. Kailangan magsabi ng Bismillah. Because if I tell Bismillah, the hair, today I cut like this, tomorrow hair. Ano guys? Ganyan lang buhay guys.
Good thinking.
Don't too much thinking for your problem, okay? The problem is coming Santa Claus to town is Christmas.
Solve the problem.
The problem is always. The problem is always coming. If you think your problem, you are ugly. Don't thinking. Thinking you are make beautiful. If you are ugly, come here in MS Spa. Yeah, I make beautiful. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hello guys, gupit-gupit lang tayo nagagmay guys. Ginanito ko muna siya kasi gamitan ko siya ng machine. Kasi magpadip-dip man siya. Shout out dyan kay Lisil. Hello Sil. Aywa. Hait kayo kong gunting oh. Ay lama-lama mo diha kay guguntingin ko kayo. I love you all 3 times a day. Pixie cat. Nice like this, oh. Wow. Every time you say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down, when the ball won't play, I'm always remember as this way. Dapat nag-ano din ng Facebook. YouTube. Hello guys. Hello guys. Guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is my new version. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You sleep or you did not sleep?
With your singing, you're singing so loudly.
Okay. I want to sing like slow.
Then I'll activate the sing it more.
Okay. La 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 la.
Why don't you sing in your language? Not English. Filipino song.
Filipino song?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I sing that Filipino song?
Yeah.
Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda. You know, in the English?
Don't worry, the sound of this is nice.
Okay.
I don't understand, but the sound
Your,
is nice.
you know, the English is?
No. What?
I don't care, you are beautiful.
I don't know that song.
Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Wow, I love you 3 times a day. Anong gagawin utos ng damdamin, para bang hangin na kay hirap. Wow, Lisil. Kumusta day? Kumusta? Dito yung tainga ni Kabayan, akong gikortihan. Pagdating ng panahon ay sa sigira. Mabuti ka. Wow. Naway ang puso sa'yo'y baliw. Na 1 year, o more? Madam?
1 year.
More, sa?
Yeah, because last time when you went for vacation, it was December?
No, March.
March. So almost 1 year and a half? Yeah.
Yes, because now it's long. A long and lasting
No, in between I
love.
cut them.
Spoil them, not cut them.
But last time when I did,
I'll take out my t-shirt and just clean my neck.
so I was not happy at all.
Arizona sky,
Oh, I understand.
burning in your eyes. Wow, like this. Yeah. When the sun goes down, when the band won't play, I always remember us this way. And the most you come, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down. Wow. Before you are woman, now you are man.
Stylish woman.
Wow. Your style like this, huh?
Yeah.
You're showing her face, Alice.
Hmm?
You're showing her face on your life.
I put a sticker.
Yeah, but you can't put a sticker when you're live.
Huh?
You can't put the sticker when you're live.
I put a sticker. Like that. Yeah. Hello guys.
इसमें मेरे बैग में है दूसरा वो रखा है
Big sector, yeah.
दिख रहा है छोटा है बस
Gunting. Ginawa ko siyang pugi. Before is woman, now is man. I'm here niya. Yes, I'm a woman. Life is a woman face. When a dream is gone, it's the lonelier place.
What song you're mixing?
She's mixing all 3-4 songs together.
I'm morning goodbye down inside. You know we'll never know why. Yeah. The wood is narrow and long when eyes meet eyes, and the feeling's so strong. Ay, wow. I turn away from the wall, I stumble and fall, and I give you it all. Ay, wow. I am a woman in love, and I do anything to get you into my wall and hold you within. It's right, I defend
Over
and over again. Wow, akong customer nagkanta, guys. What do I do?
Her husband died, poor woman, you know now.
Huh?
Her husband died also.
When?
Not mine.
Barbara
Barbara
Streisand.
Barbara, yeah.
His husband died.
A very good singer.
Oh yes.
Mm. I am a woman in love, and I do anything to get you into my wall and hold you within. It's right, I defend over and over again. What do I do? The road is narrow and low when eyes meet eyes, and the feeling is wrong. I am a woman in love. Welcome to my life, Wonder Alice Boy. I'm here and you there. You there, I'm here. I cut now for the shortcut.
Alice in Wonderland.
I'm Alice in the Wonderland. I love you all 3 times a day. Yeah. I'm not your friend. Yeah. And then machine tayo, guys. Ito na, guys, hindi pa natapos ang gupit, guys. Ginawa ko siyang guys. Kasi, guys, yung customer ko, guys, is from Netherlands. Nagbakasyon lang siya dito, guys. Tiningnan lang niya ako. Si Simi only here in Kuwait. Wow. Oh. There, madam, sa?
Yeah, this or that. Left or right.
Okay. Left and right, okay? I am a woman in love, and I do anything to get you into my world, hold you with it. It's right, I defend over and over again. What do I do? We may be oceaned away and feel my life and hear what you say. Ganda ng buhok ni customer, oh. Nice the hair color. Is silver platinum. Platinum. I am a woman in love, and I do anything to get you into my world and hold you within. Is right I defend over and over again. What do I do? Life is a moment to space when a dream is gone. It's a lonely place. I kiss the morning goodbye, but down inside you know I'll never know why. The road is narrow and long when eyes meet eyes, and the feeling is strong. Hello guys. Hello guys, maganda na guys. Maggamit ako ng machine guys. Stumble and fall, and I give you it all. I am a woman in love, and I do anything to get you into my world. The song heartily dedicated to dedication coming from. Dedication ng dedicated. Madam, the song heartily dedicated to dedication. I am a woman in love, and I do anything to get you into my world and hold you within. It's right I defend over and over again. My customer is very happy because I cut the hair. The hair is the cut. Start, guys. I am a woman in love, and I do anything to get you into my world and hold you within. It's right I defend over and over again. What do I do? The orange on the sky, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13. Wait. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, nitingog ang iyang kwintas. Yes. Aywa. Machine, gamitan itong machine kay parang malinis. Para malinis ang akong gupit. Shout out dyan mga guys sa akong customer. Darararan, daran, dun, 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 dun. Aywa. Nagbalik-balik siya dire kay gikupitan na ako na siya dati dito. Aywa. Hindi ko na sana'y pinagmasdan ang iyong pagkagwapo at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat gupit mo'y paganda ka. Dahil sa akala mo hindi ikaw magwapa, yung pala sa aking gupit ikaw ay gaganda. Aywa. You know the English?
I'm enjoying
I think I cut your hair is not, you are not beautiful now because you trust me.
Yeah.
Now you are beautiful. Coming Santa Claus to town.
You are the Santa Claus.
Yeah.
I fix my hair.
I fix the hair.
Yeah.
Ano ang gagawin? Kahit ano ang gagawin mo, basta ikaw ay magwapa, gaganda. Sa akong gupit, ikaw ay gaganda. Ay, wahoo! Tararang, tarararang, tararang. Ito, meron pa akong isa. Anong gagawin na ikaw magwapa? Gugupitan kita sa panggupit na panglalaki. Parang ika'y gwapo sa gupit ngayong umaga. Emo. Pugi na guys, pugi. Yan, turn around. Every now and then I get around. Turn around. Shut up dyan guys. Too much long.
You want me to sleep? Yeah. पीछे देखा तो जरा.
Anong gagawin sa akong customer nga pagwapa? Bang lahi siya, hindi siya taga dito. My customer today is from Netherlands. Nagbakasyon na siya dito kasi magpagupit. Ako lang sinadya ni madam. Kita salit gas.
बड़ी बड़ी कर. Yes.
Anong gagawin? Guys, libot-libot ko rin guys.
Done.
Oh guys. Yan na guys oh. Yan na guys. Kanina babae siya karon ginawa ko siyang ano. Tarararang. Turn around every now and then I get up down. Turn around. This the long, it's okay? Oh, I cut.
No.
Enough this one, huh?
No.
से ग्रीन एंड से ब्लैक कलर में खड्डे हैं जगह जगह, उसी में आपको लगता था कि आपके बालों में खड्डे डाल दिए, बट leave them like this, they look very nice, not ऊपर जो करके आप कर लेती हैं. This looks very nice, gives you a softer look.
Yeah, this is the look. Is
It's giving a softer look.
Why I am not cut? I am not take picture before.
Yeah.
Crazy Alice. Next
Yeah,
time.
these are taken before and after.
Yeah.
So you people can see the difference how you.
Crazy Alice. Alice, you're crazy. Huh?
ना बड़ी पक्की पक्की सी लगती है.
अभी लगना तो कब लगना है?
This gives a very soft look. This from the front. Very nice. I like this.
This song heartily dedicated to dedication coming from Alice.
I like the front.
Alice is admiring herself all the time.
Iowa. The time is Alice is in the Wonderland, coming from Philippines, Thailand. Hop hop.
You're from Philippines or Thailand? You're Philippine.
My mother is Philippine.
Don't make it any shorter, Alice. This looks.
Yeah. My father is Hop hop, Thailand. My father is Thailand. My mother is Filipina. My father now is Finnish. She go abroad. Cemetery.
That is a bit.
Crazy woman.
Don't make that very short. Huh? That's,
Yes,
that
I
is
know,
okay.
I know. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like this, nice.
This length is even before it was better. You cut it short. I told you not to cut it short.
No, because this one,
Yeah, that was looking nice coming like this.
yes, yeah, like that.
Now you cut it short. Before it was better. I told you to leave this a bit long.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, that looks nice. Yeah, Alice.
Wala, but tomorrow long.
I'm happy tomorrow. We are all.
Yeah.
It will take months to come back.
Every month you come again and I miss fun because you miss me. And I found my man, I always remember us this way. Pogi ka ngayon. La 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 la. La 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 la. You always make like this.
Yeah, that's why I was telling you to make this a bit long so it looks nice when it comes to here. But you cut it.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, you say?
It's okay. This long.
Now before she's 51 years old. Now I make 15.
Yeah, why not? Water kya kariye?
I'm putting so much water at this now. It's cut down.
You see, because yeah, like that. You want I put box?
Just dry it. Yeah. No Sichuan, just dry it so it looks nice.
Yeah, like this. Oh. If you are finished take a bath, you only make like this to make a massage.
Don't stick it to my.
This used to be my.
Yeah. Like
मेरा first haircut कराया था ना.
Make it really loose. Fluffy.
Madam, maybe the hair. Every time you say goodbye, baby, it hurts. Ay, what? Woohoo! Now, is pogi na si ma'am. What time your flight to go to the Netherlands?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow evening?
Yeah.
She's tomorrow evening to go back na in the Netherlands because only 1 week here in Kuwait.
Yeah.
She want to see the family and she want also me to cut this haircut. Okay, that's why I'm very
Came
famous.
especially for Alice.
Especially for me though. For me, especially Alice. Because before I cut for Ramadan. I love you all. Thanks God. I love you all. 3 times a day. Wow. Tell Madam, you.
Thank you, Alice.
Thank you, Madam.
Love you.
I love you too.
I'll come back next year.
Yes. Say, you heard my customer. Tomorrow night, you go to Netherlands.
Yeah. Tomorrow night.
Aywa. Thank you guys. I love you all.